Hi everyone, I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on how to do some cute little girly Milky Way spacey nails. So I've painted on 2 coats of Dreamer from the new spring collection because I think it'll match perfectly. And I'm going to use one of these little foils. So these are the Galaxy ones. And I think I might go for this lilac one or this one. I'm gonna go lilac. Or will I go blue? I'm just gonna do this one. So I'm just gonna cut off a small section. So I've got 5 nails to do. I'm just gonna go about there. And I'm gonna pop these away. So I have got 2 coats of colour on and I've got some non-white top coat. So I'm just gonna buff over the surface shine. And this is just to make sure that the foil transfer glue sticks, because it won't stick to a sticky layer, shiny layer, sorry. I'm only going to do swirls on my nails, but I'm going to file over all of them because I want a base coat and top coat, and I want to make sure that all sticks on nicely. You can lightly file or you can buff. I'm going to just remove all the dust. And I'm going to take off the shine from here using some prep and scrub on the back of a lint-free wipe. And I'm just going to gently wipe over. And just leave that to dry there for a second. And then with the foil transfer glue, you only need to use a little tiny amount. You don't need to put it on heavily thick. This means it's going to last you a while as well. So I think I'm going to go sideways. I'm just brushing this on where I want it to stick. I'm just going to do all my nails together. Super easy and such a quick nail art design. I don't know why I insist on doing everything with my non-dominant hand. So I can see where it's went because I can see the shine. So I'm going to pop them in the lamp and I'm going to cure them for 30 seconds. So they've been in the lamp and I'm going to try and stick to the same little area so I don't stick one nail there, one here, one up there, just so there's less wastage. So I'm going to start off in this little corner and I'm just going to press that on. Make sure it's rubbed right in, so you can use a silicone tool for this. And just rub it in. And I'm just going to peel this off. Oh, it hasn't stuck yet. That's it. Oh wow. I think I'll have a bit of blue on this one. This is such a fun, cool way to do nail art. super quick. Just rub that right in. Oh, they're dreamy. Blue one here. Even though you do get a massive roll of this, I still don't like wasting nail products. That's why I like to stick to the same little area. Oh, they're cute. Yes. So now I'm going to add a little bit of French white and just outline these a little bit. So I've got a little bit of French white here, long stripe brush, and I'm just going to go around and just lightly outline a little bit of the pattern and make it look a little bit Milky Way-ish. Maybe I should have looked what a Milky Way looked like, but never mind. I love this. Pop them in the lamp and cure for 30 seconds. So I'm just going to add some little stars using a dotting tool. I'm just doing little dots on there. Galaxies have to have stars. I'm just going to use a little detailer brush and I'm just going to pull little lines through. Just going to set them in the lamp and cure for 30 seconds. So I've added some base coat and some top coat and some cuticle oil. So it's quite hard to pick up, but I love these. Oh, you can see good there. So quick, easy and simple way to add some nail art to your treatment list. And the leftovers that I've got here, I'm just going to pop back inside the tub and use this another time.